Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video you will get 15 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I have given you 35 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. The first course is CSS3 and Bootstrap for Absolute Beginner 4 course in 1. In this course, you will learn to code responsive web using CSS, will be able to code responsive web using Bootstrap, will be able to design and develop responsive with web page. This course is 3-hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Bootstrap from scratch, fast and responsive web development. In this course, you will learn and create amazing high-quality Bootstrap 4 theme and URLs from scratch. Learn semantic HTML5 and modern CSS3 technique. Learn the Bootstrap 4 utility, classes, components, and JS widget with an online editor. Build responsive website. Master the best practice of HTML, CSS, and JS development. Learn quickly, beautiful, responsive website quickly and painlessly. Use the latest HTML5, CSS, and FlexiWorks along Bootstrap 4. Get brief overview of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for complete beginner. Use the Bootstrap 4 grind system to create complex fluid layout. This course you find on-demand video, 4 articles, 4 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Facebook Traffic Masterclass, free Facebook traffic strategy. In this course, you will learn the reality of free Facebook traffic, optimize your Facebook page, the importance of personal story, giving your audience what they want, content for free Facebook traffic for video, the power of Facebook group for free traffic, create your own Facebook group, and for free traffic, best practice for free Facebook traffic. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, 14 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is SEO Training 2021, complete SEO course, WordPress SEO Yoast. In this course, you will learn SEO guide, mobile SEO, voice SEO, video SEO, local SEO, e-commerce SEO, UX SEO, image SEO, SEO content, SEO linking, building. This course is 43-hour on-demand video, 17 articles, 57 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excel mobile and TV, assignment, and certification completion. The next course is Introduction to Quantum Computing. In this course, you will learn the basic of quantum computing, understand the basic of Microsoft Q, learn the basic of mathematics for quantum computing, understand the basic quantum algorithm, learn all the quantum computing theoretical concept, create and perform basic quantum computing tasks with Microsoft Q. This course is 2.5-hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Excel text function. You will need Smash. In this course, you will learn Excel text function and formula, left, mid, right, or Excel text, trim and clean to remove unwanted blank spaces and non-printable characters, proper lower, upper for text capitalization, and concate, text join, difference between substitute and replace, difference between find and search, lean and text, east number, search combination, and more. Extra combination with VLOOK and wildcard. Extra flash field for replacing text function. This course includes 2-hour on-demand video, 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Microsoft Excel Basic, bookkeeping and accounting. In this course, you will learn Microsoft Excel Basic, adding numbers, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, use formula for work with number, insert the column and row, using cell format, use format painter for quickly copy cell formatting, using wrap text in cell, formatting number using $sign, percentage, decimal, conditional formatting of add color to make sense of cell data, using chart, sorting and filtering number using freeze pen to see the column and row heading, lookup, lookup sum if pivot table. These courses in 2.5 on-demand video, 12 downloadable resources, 1 practice test, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, assignment, and certification completion. The next course is Microsoft Excel, Basic Excel, Advanced Excel Formula. In this course, you will learn how to learn with the most popular Microsoft Excel function, build basic Excel app from scratch with different functions, be able to work with different Excel function types such as date and time, finance, and many more. Life Get a lifetime access of course and support. This course in 4.5 are on demand your full lifetime access, Excel mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Technical Analysis Mastery, Stock Trading, Forex Investing. In this course, you will learn to analyze stock, cryptocurrency, forex, commodity index, option. Trading Psychology Mastery, how to control human emotion and rational while taking trade. How to use risk management for maximum profit and minimum risk. How to become professional technical analytics. Avoid the common mistake that new traders make. Identify all kind of patterns forming upon chart and trade them. How to make a new source of passive income, learn to become professional trader or investor. These courses 3 are on demand in your 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Beginner Forex Trading Crash Course. In this course, you will learn the gain of basic understanding of Forex, the Forex market and Forex trading, understanding currency conversion, and get the familiarized with exchange rate. Learn about major currency and market structure of Forex trading. Know more about different kind of foreign exchange market, trading psychology in Forex trading. These courses 2 are on demand in your full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Adobe Illustrator CC 2021 Associate Graphics Design Training. In this course, you will all about the shape, drawing tool, typography and font, color, pattern, abstract, repeat, vectorizing image, recoloring, and more. You will confidently add graphic design and illustrate skills to a CV. You will able to make money selling from your design online. You will complete 30 plus designs for your portfolio. You will learn how to construct graphic with shape and how to cut, trim, and merge multiple shapes. How to create realistic mockup for your merchandising and branding project. How to design logos and how to talk the companies to create their logo. How to concept of icon design and start your icon library. All about text layout and font from the creative font library. You will design your own brochure and flying and creating realistic mockup. You will design stickers and badge to create cups and mugs mug. You will learn how to modify, create and design pattern and create shirt, sweater and pillows mockup. How to export your project from professional print, web and how to package for selling. How will you learn how to find free templates for voucher, flying, business card and more. These courses in 10 are on demand in your 1 article, 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, assigned and certification completion. The next course is Color Grading and Video Editing with DaVinci Resolve 17. In this course, you will learn how to learn DaVinci Resolve for video editing from beginner to advanced, understand the use of many tools offered by DaVinci Resolve, color correction, and grade video using efficient technique, export and save your video for HD playback. This course in 42 minutes on demand video, 5 article, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and certification completion. Next course is TikTok for Business, a shortcut for profit from TikTok. In this course, you will learn a shortcut to get profit from TikTok, what is TikTok and why should you care. Getting started with TikTok, rating a content for TikTok, TikTok hashtag, marketing strategy for TikTok, TikTok ad, TikTok use case to inspire you, TikTok analysis, TikTok best practice. This course is 1 hour on demand view, full lifetime access, Excel mobility and certification completion. The next course is Becoming a Sales Professional. In this course, you will discover the benefit of developing support network of connection, understanding how to build relationships that can help you develop your business space, learn how to truly like your acquisition, not just pretend you, recognize the key of interpersonal skill and practice using them. These courses 2 are on demand your full lifetime access, Excel mobility and certification completion. The next course is Active Directory Administration for Help Desk Technician. In this course, we will learn creating and managing user account, the difference between different types of user profile, the difference between local and domain account, how to search user contact group from and computer object, creating and managing security groups and OUS, how security and organization unit nesting work, how to manage group policy using the group policy management console, group policy processing involving multiple level of group policy. This course in 1 hour on demand video, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and certification completion. The next course is Set up global trade online instantly from anywhere, anytime. In this course, you will learn how to set up online international business instantly in simple steps. What are the online channels that are carried out in international market which are a market to choose sell good internationally, how to set up a shop for selling internationally, how to choose global product to sell online globally, how to get focus international market online, how to promote your online business through digital channel, what are the large digital communities, and how to expand their global business. This course in 4.5 on demand 23 article, one downloadable usage, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Amazon FBA Mastery Course, how to sell on Amazon. In this course, you will learn how to sell on Amazon, Amazon A9 algorithm, product launching strategy, how to make giveaway, PPC campaign, keyword analysis for campaign, which strategy, selling techniques, how to create super URL, giveaway calculation. This course is 3.5 hour on demand video, 4 articles, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is bookkeeping in account book online. In this course, you will learn bookkeeping and accounting software, use QuickBook Online for record revenue, use QuickBook Online for record expense, use journal entries in QuickBook Online, use QuickBook Online to generate profit and loss statement and other report, use bank feed and recurrence account, bank account, use payroll to pay employee and contact them. These courses will 3 are on demand video, 3 downloadable resources, 1 practice test, full lifetime access, Excel mobility, assignment and certification completion. The next course is learn economics from scratch ECO 04. In this course, you will learn labor market population mining. This course is 1 hour on demand video, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobility, and certification completion. All the course links are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video with friends and family members because they can also get a benefit of the course. Thank you.